Many Minnesotans came out of the weekend with itchy eyes and scratchy throats.
Are allergies driving these symptoms or something else? David Schuman spoke to an allergist to get some answers.
Enjoying the outdoors this weekend came with an asterisk for some people around the metro.
Quite a bit of heat and humidity, kind of hard to breathe outside.
Well, a little bit of wheezing. My eyes were incredibly itchy the last few days.
Ashley Scotting says she's been taking allergy medication, but a doctor we spoke to says that's not very likely to fix the issue.
Pollen counts are quite low right now, so tree season has come and gone, grass season has come and gone.
Dr. Gary Berman points to smoke from Canadian wildfires as the culprit. He says Minnesota's air quality isn't good right now.
For the general population, it's probably mostly an irritant. But for our patients with asthma or COPD or cardiovascular problems, when they have breathing problems, this can make things much worse.
The drought conditions we've had aren't helping either. Just like rain washes pollen out of the air, it does the same with pollutants. So what can you do in the meantime?
I have an air purifier that I've been running 24/7, and even so I've noticed my cat, who's an indoor cat, sneezing.
Berman says try to stay inside if you're bothered by the air and hope the fires stop soon so the air quality can return to what we're more used to.
We in Minnesota don't typically have this issue. Like in California, they have this type of issue all the time.
I asked the doctor how you can determine if the symptoms are from the wildfires or from allergies, and he told me they still do the test that I took when I was a kid, where they prick you with several things you could be allergic to, and then they can tell almost right away if you are.
All right. Thank you, David.